Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll down, find the settings icon, and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, select the option called Watch Settings, and then scroll down and select the option called Watch Face. And here we have two choices, digital and analog. You can select between one or between two, my bad. I'm gonna select analog. And now go back. And as you can see, the watch face will change to this one. Let's go back to watch face actually. This, that's the analog watch face. And if we change it back to digital, oh, my bad. Watch face, digital, and go back to watch face. This is how the digital one looks like. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.